You've watered it, you've given it sunlight, and still, your plant looks like it's stuck in slow motion. But what if I told you there's a way to turn that sad, stunted houseplant into a lush, thriving, green giant faster than you ever thought possible? In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets of rapid indoor plant growth. These are tips even experienced plant parents often overlook. So, if you're ready to turn your living room into a vibrant jungle, stay tuned. Your plant's glow-up starts now. It all begins underground. Most indoor plant problems start with poor soil too dense, not draining well, or simply lacking nutrients. Use a light, aerated potting mix, not garden soil. For most houseplants, a peat-based mix with perlite or coconut coir works wonders. This ensures roots can breathe and absorb nutrients efficiently. Bonus tip? Add a handful of worm castings or compost to supercharge the soil with living microbes. These are nature's tiny gardeners. More water doesn't mean more growth. In fact, it often means root rot. Always check soil moisture before watering. Stick your finger 1 inch in if it's still damp. Wait. Use pots with drainage holes and water deeply, letting excess run out. A self-watering pot or a moisture meter can help if you're unsure. Overwatering is the silent killer of indoor plants. Plants don't grow in the dark. Light is their food. And here's the kicker. Most indoor plants suffer from chronic light deficiency. Place your plants near bright, indirect light like an east or west-facing window. Rotate them every week for even growth. Still not enough light? Grow lights are your best friend. Full-spectrum LED lights mimic sunlight and can literally transform your plant's growth overnight. Plants like stability, not mood swings. Most houseplants thrive in temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18-24 degrees Celsius. Keep them away from AC vents, heaters, or drafty windows. Sudden temperature changes can shock them. And don't forget humidity. Tropical plants especially love moisture in the air. A simple humidifier, pebble tray, or even grouping plants together can raise humidity to ideal levels. Plants eat too, just not pizza. For fast, healthy growth, you need to fertilize. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer like 10-10 EV, every 2-4 weeks during growing season. Organic options like fish emulsion or seaweed extract work wonders too. But go easy, more fertilizer doesn't mean faster growth. Overfeeding can burn roots and stunt the plant. Yes, trimming your plant can actually make it grow faster. Sounds odd, right? Regular pruning encourages new growth, redirects energy to healthy stems, and keeps plants looking full and fresh. Also, don't ignore the roots. If your plant is root-bound, meaning roots circle tightly in the pot, it's time to repot. Choose a pot one size bigger and give those roots room to stretch. Want to boost your plant's growth even more? Try these lesser-known tricks. Play soft music or talk to your plants. It sounds silly, but studies show vibrations may stimulate growth. Dust leaves regularly to keep pores clear for photosynthesis. And every now and then, give them a plant spa day. A warm shower to wash off pests and refresh foliage. Now that you know the secrets to supercharged plant growth, here's a challenge. Try just 3 of these tips this week and watch the difference unfold. Which trick are you going to try first? The grow light upgrade or maybe a plant spa day? Let us know in the comments below.